Hello everyone, my name is Ananya and I am a student from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I am currently pursuing my engineering degree and today I shall talk about the purpose of recycling in waste management and I shall also talk about the recycling basics of common materials found in the waste stream. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Purpose of recycling. Why do we recycle? There are many purposes for recycling. First, it reduces the waste generated in the waste stream. And it helps to make the solid waste management easier. Recycling is also done to reduce energy consumption by using semi-processed recycled materials for manufacturing rather than obtaining and processing new materials from scratch. Hence, it reduces cost for materials and thus it reduces the cost for good products available in the market. There are various materials in the waste stream which are commonly used for recycling. There are paper and cardboard, glass, metals, plastics, batteries and tires. Let us talk about the recycling of paper and cardboard. Paper and cardboard waste contributes up to 13 to 15% of total domestic waste. Paper recycling reduces demand of wood and solves littering problem. Recovered paper waste include old newspapers, magazines, junk mail, office papers and photocopy papers. I shall now talk about the recycling process of paper and cardboard. Paper scraps are pulped in a beater machine and it is then spread on a rotating sieve and pressed mechanically. Then it is cut and set out for drying in the sun. In small cottage industries, recycled paper is made by pulping and pressing manually. Now let us talk about the recycling process of glass. Glass is one of the most commonly recycled material. It is a labor-intensive process and reduces health risks such as cuts and wounds due to littering. First, glass waste is sorted according to quality and color and it is melted in a furnace. It is then molded, blowed and cut into the desired shape for the product. Now let us talk about recycling of metals. Extraction of metals from natural ores depletes the mineral resources. It also has additional mining and labor costs. Dumping of metals in landfills causes leachate with heavy metal solutions. Recycling metals substantially lowers operation costs and energy consumption. Recycling of metals is done by melting the scrap metal in a coal furnace. The molten metal is cast into a mold to make ingots or the final product. In many cases, recycled and melted metals are mixed in a ratio of 3:1 for better quality products. Plastics. We all know that plastic waste is posing serious littering problem around the world, especially in cities. With an 8% by weight of the total domestic waste, it is one of the major constituents in the waste stream. We use plastic materials on almost everything in our day-to-day lives, and this builds up the plastic waste as plastic does not generally biodegrade. So recycling plastic is highly essential for the sake of the environment and it also reduces cost of raw materials and energy to manufacture plastic. I shall now discuss the recycling processes of plastic. Plastic is sorted into quality and color on the basis of quality and color. It is then cut and crushed into granules. The granules is melted and molded into cheaper product. The material passes through an extruder machine to produce thick plastic strands, which are cut into lumps manually to be used for manufacturing various items. Batteries and tires. Battery recycling is based on market conditions such as the price of lead, but it is also based on the concern over toxic compounds such as lead, cadmium and mercury which is present in many batteries. Automobiles have lead acid battery, which consists of lead and sulfuric acid, both of which are highly hazardous to nature. Battery recycling requires consistent collection and processing, and largely depends on market conditions. For tires is a challenge for solid waste management, as no reusable materials can be obtained from shredded and torn tires, and hence it is used as fuel source in electricity generating facilities and pulp and paper mills instead. Here, the recycling process of battery is shown. First, the batteries are broken open and the acids are neutralized. The container is chipped for recycling and the lead from the battery is smelted to be used in other recycled batteries. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.